Dr. Galvan, the proud superintendent of the Salinas Union High School District, with your video message for this week. We have a lot going on in our district, and so during this week, on Monday, we rolled out our Raptor safety and security system at all of our schools. We want to thank our community for being our partners and keeping our schools safe, our students safe, and all of our team members. Equally important, I want to share with you on Tuesday, we had an incredible unified soccer event hosted at Hardin Middle School. I want to thank all of our middle school teachers and team members who were so actively involved in making sure that our students experience joy while playing soccer. On Wednesday of this week, we had the City of Salinas Housing Summit, where we talked a little bit about workforce housing, as well as some solution in bringing affordable homes here to the city of Salinas, because as you know, if we have wonderful employees and team members throughout our district, you also need a great place to live. And so that continued conversation will progress forward. Also want to share with you this week, just yesterday, we had day 2 of our Guiding Coalition, where we continue to talk about the portrait of a graduate, really emphasizing those skills that we want our students to leave us when they graduate. And so some of those are empowered learner, skilled communicator, and collaborative thinker. And so this month for November and December, we're talking about collaborative thinkers and really how do they look at critically and analyze situations. So at home, you can help support us by having your students critically analyze whatever they're working on. So thank you for your support in that endeavor. Tonight, we have a Alisal High School versus Salinas High School game. So if you are a proud Trojan or a proud Cowboy, we would love to see you over at Alisal High School for that hosted game this evening. And then looking forward to next week, we have Monday, we are coming back to school, and then Tuesday is a holiday. So if you're a veteran or you know a veteran or you love a veteran, thank you so much to our veterans throughout our community and our nation who have sacrificed so much for us to be able to live in this beautiful country. Equally important, I want to share that next week on Wednesday, we will continue learning walks. Thursday and Friday, we will celebrate our students and all that we do. We will continue to elevate and advertise on all our social media channels what we're doing, so please follow us. And then also want to share with you on Friday, we have a community collaborative where we bring together local businesses, partners, educational entities, just to really educate a wonderfully powerful Salinas Union High School District community. And finally, I'll just share with the holidays are coming up and we want to wish you well, but we also want you to know that not everyone loves the holidays. And so it's really important that we take care of each other. We celebrate what we can do in each other, honor who people are, and really support each other during the holidays. Mental illness and mental wellness is very, very important. And so reach out to your loved ones, take care of them, check in on loved ones that are strong, but also those that need us as well. So thank you for being a valued partner with our Salinas Union High School District, and I hope you stay well. Thank you so much. Dr. Galvan here signing off, and I wish you a wonderful weekend. Take care, everyone.